2002 Mercury Grand Marquis. There's the 4.6 in there. It's got a bad leak from the oil filter adapter. It's been leaking for a while. This is actually the customer truck where I had to put the transmission in and do a warranty replacement. So yeah, hopefully this vehicle don't have it out for me also. We already talked about it a while ago. I replaced the pressure switch because I thought that was initially leaking, but that wasn't the cause of it. And the once I cleaned everything up and re-inspected it, the filter housing gasket is leaking. So we're gonna see how bad that looks when I get it removed. And the other issue that it had going on, the oil pressure indicator is kind of on and off. It'll show oil pressure, then sometime it won't. So hopefully when we inspect the gasket, we'll see that the rubber insert or the rubber gasket portion of the one that actually seals are defective and smashed. Hopefully we'll see it crack. Don't know yet. We're going to find out shortly though. Send it like it is. Oil hasn't been changed in like 10,000 miles. Gotta do. This. To the side. Darn it, man. I was hoping I wouldn't have to drain that coolant. Labor time on it's supposed to be an hour and 1.2 hours. Maybe if I slide it out, I can flip it around, clean what I need to, and put everything back in and close it on up. Like a 10mm. So, one. I need to just crack these loose first before I use this because it's already kind of broken up. I'll say that as I go back and try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I still got my warranty on this thing. Dang, man, I swear I done one a long time ago that didn't have a cooler on it. I guess it's certain models. And I wonder if I got the right gasket. Shite. I think I did. I need to get a pan for the coolant. I know I'm gonna be slow about doing that because I'm gonna wait till it starts pouring out coolant, then I'll get it. And I'm gonna be complaining that I made a miss. Oh shit! See, I kind of knew. I tell you, I don't learn. I gotta change the oil anyway. An ounce of prevention can prevent a pound of problems. I was thinking about that, and I haven't made an official mesh yet. So at least I had something down here. This is gonna have to go with the. Let me see. It's gonna have to go in the oil. Ain't no recycling this, and plus look how bad it looks. Let's see if we can just get a little bit. Smooth out the flow. Slow and steady. I'm gonna try that method. Let's proceed with pulling some of those out. Please be easy. I had to play the optimistic game. At least I can say at least it's not a composite gasket. I hate them things. I hope I made the right decision in getting this one last. Alright, cool. So we're gonna cooperate, and got plenty of room. This is great. Thank you for it. This is the gasket. Look at that. It's just not supposed to do that. There's our problem. So I can simply clean the back here. I don't like any coolant would have gotten the oil. It don't look like it, at least. But again, I'm changing the oil. Just wipe a little bit of this off. Hit it with some brake cleaner. Just have to feel around this side. Oh, it's cool. That's just the outline. Fine though. So it's fine too. So here's the part number for the one I got. It's a Fail Pro, if anybody cares. Some people do, which I don't understand why. This is a new one. Looks fantastic. Everything's broken. And we're gonna figure out how to get this placed on here without any issue. So what I could have done is taken this, line it up with hose there. I don't think I'm where I need to be. So let's move that one slightly on. And I'm going to put the bracket start it. If it can, it will fall into the fluid below. Damn, that's the natural law right there. Damn, fell right into the oil. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh shit. A bad angle on that one. Did I do something wrong? I think I got... Did I put that bracket in upside down? It's not, definitely not going back where it was. That's crazy. Well, that's weird. I don't know what I did differently, but maybe that flipped around the other way. Yeah, y'all have to call me a hack on that one. That ain't cool. Oh, damn it. I don't think it's going to interfere with anything. Call me a hack, because it's non-compliant. Fresh old oil on here. And this spun on. Did they change the filter? Because this thing is massive. That's the 51372. That's a 51372. Yeah. I think the 522s can go on here also. New style oil filter O'Reilly got. We got some different clearances. All right, I'm gonna get this oil change. We'll check for leaks. Alrighty, I got the oil change. The only thing I don't have is the coolant level topped off, but we'll get some, I'll take care of that. But in the meantime, we're gonna start it up since I got oil in there. I know it's oil. Got a drain plug, got an oil filter, everything's good. And let's just make sure it's not leaking. Been about 5 minutes of running, and I think we're good. It ain't leaking right now. I don't think we gotta worry about it leaking anymore, because that was a pretty obvious split. I don't know what I did with that gasket. Here we go. Yeah, this was pretty obvious, and more than likely it was getting through those weak points and sipping out through there. So cool. Like I said, the book time was supposed to be like 1.2 hours. Definitely got that done well sooner than that. So luckily I didn't have to take anything else off, and I can everything else was just pretty much access. Hopefully this steering rod here is not too much in the way, so I'll see it when I edit the video. But if anything happened, I'll definitely update. But hit that link, subscribe to the channel, stay informed, have that weird show some of my work. See you next one.